fuller earth face packs, which will give you fairness, crystal clear smooth skin. Fuller earth is good for dark spots, acne, pimple, skin lighting, hyperpigmentation. If you want to get more interesting videos, then don't forget to subscribe. For oily skin, Multani Mitti and Rose Water Face Pack. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, rose water as required. How to make: mix Multani Mitti and rose water till they form a smooth paste. Apply this homemade, pretty smelling pack on your face evenly and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash it off after it completely dries. Your skin will become smooth and oil-free. Repeat this process at least thrice a week for best results. Multani Mitti and Rose Water Mask balances the skin's pH level, naturally cools it, and reduces oiliness. It also removes the outer dead skin, leaving you with oil-free and glowing skin. Multani Mitti Face Pack, for dry skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 2 tablespoon raw milk, 2 tablespoon of Multani Mitti. How to make: make a smooth paste with Multani Mitti, almond oil, and milk and let it rest for a minute. Apply it on a freshly washed and dried skin. Scrub the pack off with the help of a sponge after it dries. Use this pack twice a week for smooth and supple skin. Multani Mitti, when mixed with the goodness of almonds and milk, can make your skin smoother and softer. For fairness and even skin tone. Ingredients: Multani Mitti 2 tablespoon, Alovera gel 2 tablespoon, rose water as required. How to make: mix all ingredients well. Apply this mask for 20 minutes on your face. This mask will give you radiant glow and even the skin tone. Face pack for dark patches, acne and fairness. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon papaya pulp. How to make: mix a tablespoon each of Multani Mitti, honey, and papaya fruit pulp to form a paste. Apply it evenly to your freshly washed face and remove it after it dries off completely. Repeat it twice or thrice every week to obtain flawless skin. Using papaya pulp to make your skin glow and keep it healthy is an age-old practice, and utilizing it in a face pack along with honey and Multani Mitti gives even better results.